Cucumber is great for soothing and softening skin because it has the same pH as healthy skin. If you ever wake up feeling like your face is a little puffy, this toner is your best bet for calming and tightening your skin. So let's welcome summer with a cooling cucumber facial toner that'll leave your skin toned and fresh.
Guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. As we all know, toner is an important step in a skincare routine and it helps to break down any residue that left after cleansing. So today I'm going to share a simple and easy homemade cucumber toner.
All you need: 1/3 cup of cucumber juice, 1/3 cup rose water, is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredients well. This toner is very mild and works well for all skin types.